Hey, it's Steve. Today is September 16th, 2025. Quick options update and why I rolled everything out a couple weeks. I'm running the wheel for income. When my covered calls ran in the money, I bought to close and sold to open further out. That resets theta and pays me now. Numbers. Here's what today's rolls paid. Net after closing and reopening. Palantir, about $850 in my pocket. IonQ, about $87 net. D-Wave, ticker QBTS, about $60. Rigetti, RGTI, about $123. Total for the day, $1,119 in premium. Why roll? I'm fine losing shares if they get called. I'm still profitable on the stock, and I keep the premium. Rolling lets me delay the decision, collect cash, and keep the machine running. One roll a week, no stress. Mindset. My shares are employees. I'm renting them out for cash flow. If the market's green, I cap some upside and take the paycheck. If it's red, I still keep the premium and can reload lower. Either way, cash first. Wrap. That's it for this week's roll. If the credits stay this rich, I'll rinse and repeat next week. Thanks for listening. See you on the next update.